Now, this question is okay. Let's go through the question first. A waterfall is 1,260 meter high. Calculate the change in temperature of a quantity of water that falls from the top to the bottom of the waterfall. Neglect heat loss to the surroundings. Take G as 10 meters per second squared and specific heat capacity of water as 4,200 joules per kilogram per Kelvin. Now, this question is talking about a conversion of energy. Energy being converted from one form to another. Okay, energy is converted from or transformed in this case from potential energy to heat energy. Okay, heat energy. And an object that is object I mean the energy of an object due to height is called is potential energy, and potential energy is mass of the object, gravity times the height of that object, while heat energy due to change in temperature is mass multiplied by specific capacity multiplied by change in temperature. Okay, and we can see in this case that provided that the mass of the object remain constant, the this mass can eliminate such that we'll be left with GH is equals to C delta T. In this particular question, our target is to calculate the change in temperature. So we want to get delta T. So meaning if you make delta T the subject, delta T is going to be the gravity multiplied by the height divided by specific capacity of whatever fluid is flowing or is absorbing the heat. Now, G is given to be 10. The height of the falling fluid, which is water, is 1,260 meters. Everything divided by specific capacity is 4,200 joule per kilogram per Kelvin. So if you compute this, we are going to get a temperature change of 3.0 degrees Celsius. So it means the correct answer for this question is option B.